Hi and welcome to the WordPress course. In this video, we are going to talk about tag. So just hover over post and then click on tag. Now let's talk about what tags are. So tags are descriptive title which we use to describe our post. They are like keyword which we use to describe our post. Okay, but you can see that the interface of tag is very similar to the interface of category, and they also sound similar in concept. But what is the difference? What is the difference between a category and a tag? Well, a category can hold a large variety of posts, right? So you have a Android category and it can hold a very large variety. You can have post about camera, you can have post about Android N, you can have post about Android O, you can have post about Android 10, you can have post about new Android feature. You can have a large variety of posts related to that category. A category can hold a large variety of posts, but that is not the case with tags because they are very specific. They are like keyword which we use to describe our post. So that's the difference. A category can hold large number of posts, but tags are different because they are very specific and they are used to describe our post. Okay, now here you can add a new tag. So let's just add a new tag. I will call it Android 10, and here the slug is similar. The slug is just the URL friendly version of the name. I've already told you in the last video that it can only contain lowercase, only letter, number and hyphen. You can't have a special symbol like a star or dollar sign or pound symbol. You can't have that. So let's just write the slug here, Android 10 or lowercase, and here you can write your description. So I will write all about Android 10 and I will make this capitalize. Okay, and then I will click on add new tag, and here you can see the list of all the tag. You have the description of the tag, you have the slug, and you have the number of post that is associated with this tag. Here you can see that the Android tag has one post associated to it, the mobile tag has one post associated to it, the OS tag has one post associated to it. You can delete your tag, you can view your tag, or you can also edit your tag. So just click on edit, and here you can change the name. So I will make it uppercase, and then I will click on update. You can also delete this tag from here, but I'm not going to do that. I will just click on update and I will click on go to tags, and you can see that it has been updated. Now there are two options. There is the edit option and there is the quick edit option. But why have two options? Well, when you click on quick edit, you cannot edit the description. So if you want to edit the description, and this is the same for the category interface, if you want to edit the description, then you will have to click on edit, and if you just want to change the name and slug, then you can click on quick edit and then you can update it. You can click on this update tag after making your changes and it will be updated, but I'm not going to do that. And yeah, if you want to bulk delete your tag, then you can select them and then you can click on this option and then you can click on delete and then you can click on apply. If you want to select all your tag, then you can click on this checkbox and then you can perform your action, whatever you want to do. If you want to delete it, you can click on delete and then you can click on apply, but I'm not going to do that. Alright, that's it for this video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Bye.